Welcome to the Weather Centre on Sunday, where we can expect fog and low cloud over the western part of the country. You'll also see a band of thunderstorms moving in over the northwest from early on in the day. As that band deepens, it spreads through to the eastern interior, eventually reaching the KwaZulu-Natal coast much later on in the day. We're also expecting a few showers over the southern part of the Eastern Cape, as well as cloud building up over the southern part of the country. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms, and that band extends from the northwest through the Free State and over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, with up to a 40% chance of thundershowers into Gauteng and Limpopo, as well as in Mpumalanga and the East Coast, with a 40% chance of showers moving over the southern part of the Eastern Cape. It's another warm day over the northeastern parts, 28 degrees for Polokwane, Pretoria and Potchefstroom, 25 as we head towards Johannesburg, Ermelo 24, and Bombela with a warmer day at 32 degrees. 29 for Bloemfontein, 30 degrees for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, with another warm afternoon over the Eastern Cape interior, where maximum temperatures will peak in the middle and upper 20s. Durban and Richards Bay can expect a hot afternoon, both in the low 30s or the light to moderate northeasterly wind. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 2-metre easterly swell at 11 seconds, with a moderate southerly breeze between Port Elizabeth and Port St John's. 29 is a popular temperature over the southern part of South Africa, and that's for Worcester, Robertson, Beaufort West, Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East. 27 as we head towards Vredendal. A light to moderate southerly breeze is forecast from Jeffreys Bay through to Mossel Bay, with a 2-metre southerly swell at 13 seconds. You'll see more of a light to moderate southwesterly wind between Cape Agulhas and False Bay. In the Northern Cape, we're expecting a maximum temperature of 32 for Kimberley with a chance of thundershowers. We head into the mid-20s for Calvinia and Sutherland, a sunny 33 for Uppington and Prieska, and a mild afternoon for Springbok at 22. Moderate westerly winds dominate along the west coast, other than in Longabon with a northwesterly wind. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. On Monday, we're forecasting much clearer and warmer weather over the western parts. 30 degrees for Cape Town, in the mid-20s from George through to East London. East London with a bit of rainfall, and we're expecting thunderstorms from the northwest all the way through to the KZN coast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Sunday.